Magandang hapon po ng Monday, September 16, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon na September 16, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon na September 16, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later' for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Monday, September 16, 2024. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for September 16, 2024, Monday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Monday, September 16, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.